Hey everyone! Did you know that protein-packed overnight oats can be one of the quickest and most nutritious breakfasts you can make? Let's dive right in. Now let's talk about a common problem many of us face every morning. Finding quick, healthy breakfast options that are delicious can be a real challenge. That's where these overnight oats come in handy, offering a simple and nutritious solution. Say goodbye to boring, unhealthy breakfasts, and hello to tasty, wholesome, and satisfying morning meals. All right, let's explore what you'll need for these delicious and nutritious oats. First up, we've got rolled oats. They're a fantastic source of fiber. Next is Greek yogurt, loaded with protein and a creamy texture. And of course, our mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, adding a burst of flavor. Each ingredient may and pop it in the fridge overnight. This allows all the ingredients to meld together perfectly. To wrap up, these very high in protein berry trio overnight oats are simple to make and packed with nutritional benefits. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and healthy meal ideas. Thanks for watching.